Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you guys are safe, hope you are doing good. As you can see, I'm back in the kitchen. Today I want to make pancake. I don't feel like taking smoothie this morning, so I want to make pancake with this juice plus shake. Yes, it's very possible. I can use it. So if you want to see how I do that, please continue watching. Before I start making the pancake, I'm going to take this booster. This is how the package looks like. It's also a juice plus product. It's among the product line, okay? This booster comes in sachets, just like this. You take one sachet 30 minutes before each meal. That means 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. You take one sachet 30 minutes before you eat your meal. So I have to take one sachet before the pancake gets ready, okay? This booster claims to stop 25% of your intake fats from being absorbed into the body. Isn't that amazing? It also fills you up, which means you will not get hungry easily. It is very good. I take this 3 times before every meal. So I'm going to take one this morning before I prepare the pancake. Guys, I get many questions from my Facebook, Instagram, also here on YouTube about this product, saying that how can they get the product. Guys, the company will ship it directly to you and you will receive it within 2 to 5 working days. Yes. If you go to the website, first thing you have to do is to check the word, the global sign. Click on it and choose your country where you are shipping, where they will ship to, okay? Choose your country and that will change all the currency, the money, everything. That will change it. So every country with their price, that's what they do because of exchange of rates, you know. And also I can see that people have interest in it, but the cost is pushing them back. Yes, it may be costly, but guys, should I remind you that wealth is health? Yes, it's better for you to invest in your health today than to invest in medical attention later. Just let's look at it like this. If you go for grocery shopping, the organic vegetables and fruits that you see is different. The prices are different from the non-organic products. Yes, we all know that. So anything good doesn't come easily. Yes. So, and also the company made it possible for you to pay in installments. Yes, that's a good idea. You can pay in an installment for 4 months. So that's another advantage. My booster is ready. This is how it looks like. I'm going to take this now, then we'll start with the pancake. Okay. Guys, if you need more information about this product, you can contact me. I'll leave my link in the description area, and also check the website to do your research, okay? I cannot know everything. We are all learning every day, so do your research every time, and if you are finding it difficult to place your order, please contact me via Instagram or Messenger on Facebook, okay? So now let's start with the pancake. For the pancake, I'll be using 1 banana, medium-sized banana, 1 egg. I have my cinnamon here. That's 1/4 teaspoon of that, just a little. I have half teaspoon of baking powder. Also here is half cup of oatmeal. Yes. Then I'll scoop out 1 cup of the vanilla complete shake. I'll be using 1 cup of this. This cup comes together with it. Okay. So I have some coconut milk here, not too much. I'm looking for a thick consistency over here. So I'm going to add all the ingredients in here. I'm blending it up because of the banana. I don't want chunks of banana in my pancake. That's why I'm using the blender. I will have choose to mix it up in a bowl and that will be fine. So add everything together like this, and the blender will do the rest for you. Then the milk, I'll add more if needed later. I don't want it to be too watery. Oh my god, I almost forgot the main ingredients here. Let me scoop out 1 cup of the shake. This is the cup. Okay. Then blend it up. I'm done blending everything together, and this is the consistency that we are aiming at. This is what we want. Okay, so it's time to start frying. Here is my saucepan. I'm using coconut oil. This is it. Not too much, just a little. Okay. Guys, please, if you are watching me and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that by clicking on the red button down there that says subscribe. Okay, click on it to join this beautiful family. After clicking on it, a bell icon will pop beside it. Choose the option all so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'm using this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So now I want to start making the pancake. This is a very healthy pancake. You can see the ingredients that I used. Very healthy and nutritious. Oatmeal is very good. Here is the pancake. I'm flipping it up. Wow. So that's what I'm going to do to the rest until I'm done. This is the last batch and I'm done with my pancake. This should be enough for me. I'm the only one eating this. Guys, for more information about Juice Plus products, please contact me. I'll leave my details in the description area, and also visit the website for more information and to place your order. Juice Plus product does an amazing things in our body. Okay, it is made with all natural ingredients. I highly recommend these products, guys. Research and check the reviews. You will see a lot of amazing testimonies about these products. Our last batch of pancake is ready, so I'm done. My breakfast is ready, full with nutrients. Okay, here goes my breakfast. Juice Plus pancake, topping it up with some frozen berry mix. I sprinkle some honey. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. For more information about this, check the description area and also watch my previous video about Juice Plus products. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you all. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Do you want to know?